So, good evening, everyone. My name is Laksha Jandal. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about how to use astrology in your normal daily life. Yesterday, I was talking to a friend, okay, and she only suggested me that I should put a video on uh, this topic and whatever I was talking to her. So, according to me, astrology is nothing, it's just the psychology, okay, from the location of the planets, from whatever the stars are telling you, you can read a person very easily. Okay, so when you are able to read a person, when you are able to read yourself, you can redefine your life in the same way. Okay, so how can we use it? Suppose there are two computers. One computer is this one, and the second computer is this one. Okay, so one computer is running Windows. Okay, this computer, the computer A, is running Windows, and this is the computer B, which is running Linux. Okay, so this computer is an Intel Pentium computer which is running Windows. This computer, suppose it is a i5 computer which is running Linux. Okay, so if I want to play games, which computer is the best one? Obviously the computer which is running Windows operating system, because currently in current softwares, I know in Linux we have some operating systems, Steam OS and all, but still if you are looking for an operating system which runs games better, so Windows is the better choice. Okay, and if I want to do something which needs more of a security and everything, so I will prefer a Linux computer. Okay, so these are the two computers, both have different hardwares. One is Pentium, one is i5, both have different operating systems. Okay, but if I have to play games, I will use the Windows computer, not the Linux one. Okay, I can install Windows on this particular system, but consider this time that this is permanent. Okay, as the planets are permanent in your life, you cannot change your planets, right? So in this computer I will play the games, and if I want to do something secure, suppose I launch a rocket, so definitely launch a missile or something, so there we are going to prefer the Linux system, right? So if I talk about one particular task, suppose playing games, so this computer can play games very well. Okay, this computer can also run games, but not in the same capacity this computer can run. Okay, so coming to the missile part, launch a missile, so both the computers can launch missiles, but can Windows be that much secure? So there this computer will perform better, so Linux will perform better in that particular task. Same is the astrology. You have a planets already defined when you were born. Okay, that time your birth chart was decided, your lagna, your ascendant lord, everything was decided the same moment when you were born. The same the place, date, time, it defined like, yeah, this is the birth chart which you are going to perform in your life. Okay, so when you understand, when you really understand, like, okay, this is what my planets want me to do, you can perform the task better. Okay, so if you have a mindset which can perform really good task when it comes to accounting, okay, and if you are putting that particular mind which is, you know, designated to be an accountant in some other activity, okay, so it will not perform well, no? So that is what you this is how you can use your mind. Sometimes someone says, yeah, the planet, the Rahu is situated in your 7th house, okay, so marriage will not be good and all that part. No, it is not like that. The thing is, suppose the Windows is required there, you have a Linux mindset. Okay, you just have to run the same specifications, whatever is required in the marriage, but do not put your mind too much. Okay, do not think like you are the perfect one in that way. You can run that task very easily. Okay, just lower down your frame rate, increase your clock speed, and just move ahead. Okay, so don't think. So you can always use your astrology as a tool of psychology. Read yourself from that perspective. Okay, what is your mindset? See, astrology is nothing but this part. Okay, how this brain is formed, what task this brain can perform really well. So normally mind is represented by moon in your birth chart, right? So suppose you have a moon in your 12th house. Okay, it is considered as a weak placement for moon and like that. But the people who have moon in the 12th house, they know they have excellent imagination capacity, they are excellent they show excellent creativity, they are excellent writers. Okay, they like to be they like to live alone normally. Okay, so the thing is, it's not like they are getting tensed when they are alone, they are enjoying their alone time, right? They think in a different way. Sometimes they have excellent intuitive powers, so those people can use those things in their particular life. Okay, so all are different, all have different birth charts, all have different planets. So once you understand this thing, you will really benefit from it, and you will understand which is the task, which is the finest one for you, and go ahead for it. There is no good planet, there is no bad planet. The planets are just the representation of what your mind is capable of doing, what is your body is capable of doing, and if you are putting that particular planet in action, it will work. It will work. Okay, suppose you have again taking the same example, if you have moon in your 12th house. Okay, you can be excellent writers. Take a pen, take a notebook, and just start writing. You will come to know that you are born writer. Okay, suppose your birth chart says you can be an excellent businessman. Okay, but till the time you will not enter the field, you will not come to know that yes, you are meant for it. Your planets will not work until you put them to work. Okay, so understand yourself, read yourself. Okay, read your psychology, and you will understand yourself better. You can put your life to a better path. Okay, never consider you have any bad planet. You don't have any bad planet. There is no bad planet in this world. Okay, just understand, yeah, okay, this is my planet, this is meant to do this. Okay, then do this. Even you can use this in your relations also, to understand your wife. Suppose once you understand how your wife is thinking, how your wife is going to perform, which is the better task for her in her life, you can understand her really well. In a much better way you can understand her, and that will definitely going to improve the relationships. Okay, so this is my point of view on how you can use the astrology. Astrology is a science. According to me, it is psychology, to understand the person, the person's appearance, the person's views, the person's perception, the person's view of thinking, the person's overall personality, and how the personality will perform the best in a particular situation. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. Thank you.